Ooh. Some interference, what the
We're at Misano Adriatico racetrack in Italy, where Scuderia Toro Rosso is holding its annual mixture of filming day and car testing day. Basically, we're being tasked to put together an action clip of the new car, a lot of nice pictures, a lot of nice riding shots, and so we decided to try and pull off a couple of special things this year. Among which is Johnny FPV, a great young drone pilot from Chicago.
Yeah, this is the first time we're using a little race drone versus a F1 car, so we'll see what happens. And hopefully we'll get some good shots.
Get out quickly.
See ya. So the top speed on this guy is roughly 130 kilometers per hour. And obviously when an F1 car is really pushing it, you know, 200, so huge difference. So we're gonna try and nail some shots on their warm-up lap, especially in a turn when it slows down a little bit. So just to get a unique and really creative kind of dynamic shot, that's how these really excel. Never shot a car this fast, so a little bit of an experiment, honestly, but I think these things are so like diverse in how they can fly that to be able to pick it up and get something. Hopefully it's a nice sexy shot. Right now I'm checking to see if there's any interference that will kill my vision and my eyes, because the last time we were at this corner a couple hours ago, we cut out when I was 50 feet above the ground and the drone crashed, and some interference, what the you know, fell into quite a few pieces. Oh yeah. Damn. Yeah, she's not looking too good. Yeah. That sucks, that really sucks. So I'm not sure what to think. I think bottom line, we're gonna send it, but it's a little sketchy.
And the car is on track, the car is on track.
There it goes. All right, here we go. Oh man. Oh my god, man. Oh, and that's the warm-up. What the? It's fast, that car is fast. The acceleration, it just, yeah, smokes the drone instantly. I think it's just like the scale and level of these cars in this Formula One race league. My heart felt like it was about to jump out of my body. So, but now I'm a little bit more comfortable in getting in my flow and all that. Yeah. shot, I think. Coming in. The range is quite limited on these guys, so to try and film the entire track, we're going to need to be in a car that's chasing the car, and obviously the F1 car is still going to be insanely fast, so I think to try and keep up with him, I think we only have one option. So the car's gonna meet us up here, yeah, and then do the nice start. I think he's gonna, yeah, he's gonna. I think
I'll
he's
just
gonna
like drive it behind him,
start,
then you run
yeah.
out, drop it off.
Drop it off. He'll do the start.
When I go, I'll go like flat out.
Sounds good.
Yeah. Okay. Tell me if it's too aggressive,
Okay.
and I'll back it off a bit. Because it will be. I'm excited. I haven't driven this car, so I don't know what these kind of cars are like to drive.
Yeah, I'm interested to see if we can keep up first of all. Car's running.
Car is running.
Does that mean we're about to sound though?
Yeah. I'll stay on this side, so when the car comes past, and we go behind it.
Sounds good.
The car is leaving pit. Copy, ready. Alright.
I'm on him.
Right, I'll push it.
Yeah, send it. No worries.
Afraid that he's...
Do it. Just go for it.
Oh, I see it. Oh, this is gnarly as
Smoked us. He smoked us. This shit is crazy, dude.
I saw the fidget spinner.
Hey man, that You're wild, Glenn. Oh my god. That was a lot harder than I was expecting.
This car wasn't as good as I thought it would be. No.
Whoa. That was terrifying. Mostly terrifying.
We had to push. I thought we could keep up quite easily, but apparently an F1 car's fast. Who knew? Who knew?
Toro Rosso, after they've seen in a couple of videos what Johnny is able to do and the level of maturity he has in operating this drone and the level of confidence he has with that and expertise as well, they were very happy to kind of give us carte blanche to try whatever we felt was needed to get the nicest images. There was not a single hiccup in him, and I could see the level of focus that he had and the level of determination to show pictures of an F1 car that nobody else has ever done. I really appreciated that, and I'm really happy we flew from Chicago.
I'm just interested to see. Can I see what you see? Is that okay?
Yeah, for sure.
Is this connected? How does it work?
So it's an analog signal, so it looks like 1950s TV, but you should see yourself, yeah?
Oh yeah, nice.
Yeah, there you go. You ready to fly?